Psalms chapter 32 verse 1 to 2, we see that in order to have true happiness, that we need to have true happiness that comes from being honest with God and confessing sin and recovering his forgiveness. When
God's kingdom, the kingdom that he has built for us, is built on righteousness, joy, and peace. So even as we live on this world, let us live in righteousness, knowing that Christ is preparing a kingdom for us.
And it says, but not the Lord is not slow about his promise, as some men count slowness, but is forbearing towards you, not wishing that any should perish, but that all should reach repentance. That is what Christ wants.